Hi all, this is just a quick video to show you how to use Perusal. It's a very simple program. You'll get the hang of it very quickly. I just wanted to take you through the steps. So come over here to the module tab in the Canvas site. Yours is going to look somewhat different, of course. You have the student view, but come over here to modules. Come into syllabus review. That's where we're going to first use Perusal. So then you click on there. Please do read through the instructions. Again, it'll look different when you see it, but read through the instructions. After you read through that, you come down here to load syllabus review in new window. This will take you directly to the Perusal app on Canvas. Yours will look different. So let me go to student view just to give you what you might see, right? So you're going to see, upcoming assignments. This one not quite yet, but let's go here. Get started. I don't know why it's doing that. Let me go back here. Oh, right. Okay, I'm sorry about that. See, everybody makes mistakes. Over here on work on assignment, if we go over here we go. There's a tour you can take if you really want. It'll guide you through different things you can do with this. But I wouldn't worry about that. Feel free to if you want. I'm just going to end that for now. It's a really intuitive app to use, so I wouldn't worry too much about taking the tour. Again, do so if you wish. Okay, and now we're in the PDF version of the syllabus, so you can scan through the whole thing. Please do read through it all. It's very long, and like the last 5 pages or so are resources on the Chaffee campus for your use, so that definitely useful stuff. But of course, maybe not everything's going to be useful for you, and maybe that's something you want to return to throughout the semester. Breakdown of the course, all that kind of stuff. So, using Perusal, let's go here, like explanation of essay grading. Oh, okay, I find that interesting. I'm going to comment on this. So here you can highlight text. Right, it'll take you to this window here. And if you highlight the wrong thing, oh, whoops, that wasn't what I meant to do. Let me just close that. Let me say, okay, yeah, I like this. This is an interesting idea. So let's go over here, and then you can, comment on this. This is interesting because blah blah blah, whatever. And there's different options here. You can play with your text or whatever. You can add emojis. Look at all those emojis. Isn't that cool? Okay. Oh, there's a little salsa dancer. You can add images and links and videos, right? Links might be cool if you want to link it to something else or a video, something on YouTube that's interesting and relevant. We're not going to use that. We want to own our comments on this site. That kind of stuff. I think you can do hashtags too somewhere. Whatever you want to do. So anyways, press enter. There you go. Now your comment is live, right? And you have I'm test student, but it'll have your name so people can hover there and see who you are, right? Because it's a learning community. We want to own our comments and have that respectful learning community. So it's about engaging with each other. Okay, so then let's close that, and then let's say you come to it after someone's commented. This is what you're going to see. You're going to see this text with the shadowed, to show you that someone's already clicked there. You can see who's commented. It'll have a list of people. You can open up that conversation. Now I can comment on this too. Oh boy, you are a smart person and I respect you. But of course, in your comments, you're going to want to get into what you think. Blah blah blah. I agree because. Whoops, that's not how you spell because. Etc. Whoops, etc. All that kind of stuff, right? And then post that comment. And then whoever comes next and is annotating this, they're going to see an ongoing conversation. They can engage. They can go somewhere else. They can do what they like. Okay, so that's how you use Perusal. It's pretty easy, I think. Again, play with it a little bit. Experiment. You can again do that tour if you really wish. You can play with all the different options, but it's just a way for us to work together to annotate text online and have conversations live with the text and with each other. Okay, please do email me if you have any questions or concerns. You want me to walk you through this in person, something like that. Please do let me know. Okay, bye bye.